Hi guys, welcome to my channel NRJ Sharing Knowledge. Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you about Alteryx Designer. So how to install it. We'll go to the Google Chrome and type Alteryx Designer download. So second link you have to click here, this one. So once you click, this page will open and here you'll get above free designer trial. So guys, we get this Alteryx Designer tool for 14 days trial purpose. Okay, and if you have the license, just you can give that license. You'll get the option how to implement that license, and it's ready to work on it. So just you click here, you'll get the option to download, and this right side you'll get the option to fill up your names and details. So once you fill up all the details, and you have to download, and it will be downloaded, and just click over it and you'll get installed. So guys, this is the way, means it's totally very simple how to install the Alteryx Designer. And once it will be downloaded, then I will teach you about the tools, how to we prepare, we have to blend the data and analyze the data. Okay, I hope you liked my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys.